Hi, I'm Eric Morse at Poland High Water in Gosselberg. We're real excited to be here tonight for the finale. This is Katrina Hill. So we've been working today on our course, which is going to be a smoked pork belly dish with this red chili ginger glaze, with this little arugula salad with some balsamic, some red onions, some nice Parmesan.
Yeah, the first course we have going is I'm actually teamed up with Chef Eric from Gosselberg, and we're doing cauliflower grits with slow cooked lamb ragu and a little pecorino cheese on top. So that's kind of going to whet the appetite to begin with. And then my man Christopher here is going to make a little parsnip soup.
Hi, I'm Chef Liz Martino, and I'm from Adrian & Company, New Albany, and this is my contestant, Sarah Rose Horning. Hello. I'll be doing the dessert tonight, and I'll be doing a buttermilk tartlet with a citrus supreme with grapefruit and oranges, as well as pomegranates with a bourbon and cardamom honey. It'll be really delicious. And Sarah Rose, she's competing tonight, and she's going to be making a pan-seared lamb over fingerling potatoes tossed into garlic butter with a pureed butternut squash and a pear and red wine glaze.
When I make pasta sauces at the restaurant, like if I'm making like a cream sauce or anything, I use half and half. I don't use whole cream because heavy cream it coats your tongue so much that it's a lot. You eat a spoonful of it and you're gonna be like, oh.
She's chopping some herbs over here right now, but what she's going to be preparing for you tonight is a herb-crusted pan-seared lamb lollipop, and she'll be serving it with a dry-colored fingerling potato tossed in garlic butter. And she'll also be serving a butternut squash puree, and then a pear and red wine reduction in like glaze.
So it's a red chili ginger, it's got some sweet chili, some red chili paste, some soy.
The topping, we have ruby red grapefruit and orange supremes, which are just slices that don't have the skin on them.
And now for the announcement. The number one, with 2 votes here and 1 online, Katrina Hill is the winner. And this is from Lisa to you as the winner.
Good job, Mom.
Well, I thought the competition, it was fun. It was a good experience. These two contestants, final two contestants with me, they were wonderful. They did a good job. The presentation was beautiful, and so was his. We had a good time working with each other. We are grateful to Mesa and to the people that sponsored this, and also to all three chefs. We thank them.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It was a blast. Good competition. Couldn't ask for anything better. So thanks,
Everything
guys.
went so good. I'm just happy.
Me too. Top three. Hey, high five.
Yeah, good
We
experience.
got.